Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and this one is the 93mm Victorinox Woodsman. Now, I've never seen it listed as anything else, but according to looking around online, you might have it listed as a Pioneer range knife, or, well, the Alox Woodsman, which is kind of what it obviously is. Now, this particular one is one of the corporate advertising giveaway type knives, and it's branded with a company called Bugnard, and I got it because I like the gold color. Now, the knife itself is pretty straightforward. It's just got two tools on it. It's got the large Swiss Army knife blade, and, well, as with pretty much all Swiss Army knives, they're stuck together. As with all Swiss Army knives, it is sharp. So, yeah, the blade is pretty sharp. So, the other tool you get is you get one of the Swiss Army knife wood saws. And I kind of feel like this is not a bad choice for like an outdoor, maybe hiking, camping knife, if you just want a relatively simple tool. Because you get the knife blade and you get the wood saw. And the wood saw, I mean, it actually works. I know that the very first Swiss Army knife I owned was a Swiss Champ. And I tried the wood saw out plenty, and it did actually work. I mean, I didn't savage like a tree or anything with it, but you know, I did some damage to some saplings and branches and that kind of thing. So it works surprisingly well. I mean, you kind of wouldn't think it would, being just a Swiss Army knife, but it works remarkably well. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. It's like if you wanted just a knife, like if you were just randomly going out in the woods. Because I mean, they're Swiss Army knives. I take my. I every day carry a saber tool, and being out in the woods, there's a lot of things on this I don't really need. And I would like probably a little saw if I had the option. So, I don't know. I feel like Swiss Army knives are one of those things where you're trying for the minimum number of tools you can have and still have all the tools you want or all the tools you need. And I don't know, it just seems like this seems like a good pairing of like two tools. If you want like a very simple pocket knife and you want to get a decent amount of like bang for your space, this seems like a pretty good one. I mean, it's not, the thing is that I wouldn't carry this around every day because, I mean, I do computer stuff, so I'm not really going to need a wood saw. But if I were in a situation where I was going to be outside and camping and whatnot, I mean, this might fill a very useful niche. I don't know. What do y'all think? And while I'm thinking about it, how has your hunt been going for that perfect Swiss Army knife that fits all of your needs? Because I am constantly hunting for that knife. And I feel like I come really close sometimes. The problem I have, though, is it's like you end up with the knives that get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you end up with something like this. And, like, for example, I would swap out the scissors for just nothing on this knife because, I mean, I don't use the scissors, or I almost never use the scissors. And, like, some of the back tools I'd get rid of, too. But, like, what's the perfect Swiss Army knife? I mean, at least for you. What would be the perfect Swiss Army knife for you? I don't know. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'll include a link in the description where you can find out information about the Woodsman. And I'll also include a link to Amazon if you want to search for this particular knife. I found this exact knife on eBay. So eBay is another place you can check if you're looking for some of the more unusual Swiss Army knives, I guess is the word. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.